Today I'm cutting my hair, y'all. I've messed it up a little bit. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm cutting my hair, y'all. I've messed it up a little bit with trying to color it at home. I haven't been taking care of it properly. I haven't been moisturizing it, anything like that. So now I'm kind of gonna do like a semi little chop, not really a big chop, kind of like a big chop, because my hair just like it needs reshaping and I gotta get rid of these dead ends, y'all. So stay tuned so that y'all can see the process, and hopefully y'all, this will get me started back on the right foot so I can start taking care of my hair and then come up with some type of regimen and routine that I can follow to get healthy hair. If that's something y'all want to see, stay tuned. Okay guys, so please bear with me. This whole clip is out of focus, just to let you know. But what she's doing now is putting the protein cream on my hair. We've already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and we also did the protein mask. She's just making sure that my hair is fully prepped for thermal treatment so that I don't experience any breakage during this process. I really like when this particular person does my hair because she's very gentle with my hair. I have a really strange texture, especially when I'm in the process of drying it. It gets like really brittle and really, the texture is just really weird. But she's really good at, making sure my hair has all the products that it needs. And she's very gentle while blow drying it and just making sure that she's taking care of my hair the right way. As you guys can see, as she's blow drying my hair, the ends are basically see-through, and that's what lets me know that those are dead ends and that there's a lot of breakage towards the end of my hair, so we definitely have to cut those ends off. And you guys will see me talking the whole time, basically like just explaining to her exactly how I want my hair cut and the shape that I'm going for. So we actually cut like 1 to 1.5 to 2 inches off of the back alone. I had a lot of breakage towards the bottom, and I really wanted her to cut those dead ends so that I can have more density, and so that it can just have like a thicker effect at the bottom. Now she's going through and she's giving me long layers in the back, and then towards the top she's doing more of like slanted layers so that I can keep more length towards the top. I just feel like that just helps shape my face better, and my curls look better when they're longer in the front. So this is how much we took off. Look, it's pretty short in the back, but healthy, healthy, healthy. So I'm gonna show y'all the end result. So as you guys can see, she's not doing a full wash and go process on my hair. She's just putting a little product so we can basically see the cut while my hair is curly, you know, just to see how it came out. I'm gonna let her diffuse my hair, and I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail and let it finish air drying until later when I get home and I can do a full wash and go on my hair so you guys can see what the cut looks like. Okay guys, so now my hair is dry. I've let it dry for a few hours. I ran a few errands. Now I'm just gonna take it down and then I'm gonna do my usual wash and go method, and then I'll show you guys the results of what the cut actually looks like. But for now, I'll just pull it down for y'all to see. All in all, I cut about 1 to 2 inches off of some places, and it was definitely needed, y'all. Like, I have not been taking care of my hair. I have not been treating it right with the right products. Like, this is all my fault, and I just feel like this cut will give me a new start so that I can just get my hair back healthy and back to how we need it to be, okay? Period. So I'm gonna go and do my usual wash and go. If you guys want to see how I do my wash and go, I do have a video on that. Click the link below. I'll be right back with the finished results. Can't nobody tell me nothing, okay? Look at my hair, y'all. Look how pretty my curls are. Like, y'all, I am so happy with my haircut. Like, I feel like a brand new person. Like, I feel like I have so much new confidence. It's been 3 years since I've been on my natural hair journey, and I've had a lot of growth. I've grown a lot with my hair. So just cutting those ends and just reshaping my hair, you know, getting something new, a new look, allowing new things, new abundance, new opportunity into my life. This haircut was just, it just made sense for me. Super beautiful. I'm just so ecstatic that it came out exactly how I wanted it. I wanted a square cut all around so that I could have you know, like fuller density towards the bottom of my hair, and then I wanted to layer the top really well so that it would give me like a stackable effect, kind of like a mushroom cut, so that when my hair dries and it gets the volume, it'll just like sprout up and just have like so much volume. That's what I'm hoping is gonna happen. But if not, I wear my wash and goes often, and I really love how this looks. So I feel like I could wear my hair out like this and not pick it out or, you know, fluff it out or anything. This might just be my grown woman hairstyle. I don't know, y'all. Like, I really like it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you are on a natural hair journey and you had to do the big chop again, or you had to cut off, you know, a couple inches, sis, let me know. Share your story down below. I want to hear it. I just feel great about this part of my journey. It just feels so good, y'all.